Hello, good morning. Take a look at this question. And this question was from differential equations. Let y of x be the solution of the differential equations. X square into dy by dx plus xy equal to x square plus y square. Of course, x is greater than 0, satisfying y of 1 equal to 0. Then the value of 2 times of y of e whole square divided by y of e square. This question was asked in advanced IIT JEE 2025 in paper 2. So we will see how can we solve this question. First, we need to divide this entire equation with x square, and then we will try to solve this question. First, we will consider the given equation. Given equation is x square into dy by dx plus xy equal to x square plus y square. First, we will divide by x square on both sides. So x square into dy by dx by x square plus xy by x square equal to x square by x square plus y square by x square. You can cancel x square together. So what left after cancellation dy by dx? Then x square got cancelled, y by x left. Here x square cancel one time. And you can write y by x whole square. Here you can see that let us consider y by x as z, and then we will see how this equation converted to. Let y by x equal to, say it is z. This implies y is equal to xz. And if we try to differentiate, then it will be dy by dx equal to, here you can use u into v formula. U v dash means dz by dx plus z into x derivative 1. So say it is second equation and this one first equation. Let us replace from 1 and 2 the dy by dx value and also y by x as z from 1 and 2. This dy by dx value will be replaced by this entire expression, x into dz by dx plus z. This is what this dy by dx value. And what about this one? This y by x is z, thereafter equal to, and 1 plus this is z square, because y by x, according to our assumption, it is z. You see this value is x into dz by dx. Of course, z plus z is 2z equal to 1 plus z square. And we will move this 2z to right hand side. Then x into dz by dx equal to 1 plus z square minus 2z. So how is look like a minus b whole square, right? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So x into dz by dx is equal to, you can write z minus 1 or 1 minus z. Both are correct only. So any formula you can use here, no problem, right? So how it look like? Now it looks like a variable separable method. So students often think that it is like Bernoulli equation or linear differential equation. Of course, it is not. It's a variable separable method. Very easiest question. Now we can separate these variables. So dz by z minus 1 whole square equal to 1 by x into dx. So integrating on both sides. So integral 1 by z minus 1 whole square into dz is equal to integral 1 by x dx. According to the formula of 1 by z minus 1 whole square, you can write minus 1 by z minus 1 equal to, this is what, log mod x plus c. For finding this constant, we will use the given clues. We'll check once what was given. Here he said, you can see here they said y of 1 equal to 0. That means x value 1 and y value 0. Here we need to convert this z as y by x. So minus y by z means y by x minus 1 equal to log mod x plus c. Let us simplify this equation or substitute the values. Minus 1 by 0 by 1 minus 1 equal to log 1 under modulus plus C. So minus 1 by minus 1 in the left hand side, log 1 is 0 and C. This implies C value 1. Therefore, the solution was minus 1 by y by x minus 1 equal to log mod x plus 1. Actually, we need to simplify this equation, and then we will see how the equation will be changed as y equal to, and then we'll substitute the values. So then this value is, if you do LCM, minus x by y minus x equal to log mod x plus 1. Just reverse this value. X minus y by x equal to 1 by log mod x plus 1. This log mod x plus 1, you can write log ex under modulus, of course. If you do cross multiplication, then it will be x minus y is equal to x by log ex. Of course, that logarithm has base e. And x minus x by log ex is equal to y. So this is the equation. And now we will substitute the respective values from the question part. You can see here question says y of e whole square and y of e square. 2 times of y of e whole square divided by y of e square is required. So 2 times of y of e means x value, y of e means x value e. So e minus e by log e into e, because x value is e. So e minus e by log e square. So e minus e by log e square is 2. Why log e square is 2? According to logarithmic properties, it will be 2 log e and log e is 1. So 2. E minus e by 2 is e by 2 only. So numerator is e square by 4. Why? Because it is whole square. So that's why e by 2 whole square is e square by 4. If you check the denominator, it is y of e square. That means again, in this equation, again, we need to substitute e square in the place of x. So e square minus e square by log e square into e, because we are replacing x value with e square, it will be e cube. So e square minus e square by 3 this time, and this is 2 e square by 3 after doing LCM. 2 e square by 3. E square cancel, and 2 got cancel. So of course 3 become numerator and 4 is the denominator. So finally we got the answer 3 by 4. Thanks for watching. Before completing this video, I request your comments. If you understood good, give your feedback. And is there any suggestions, you can mention in the comment section. Thank you very much.